Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up MLA format in Google Docs, step by step. First, let's get the document basics right. You'll want to select Times New Roman as your font and set the size to 12 point. Next, make sure your margins are set to 1 inch on all 4 sides. Finally, apply double spacing to your entire document and remove any extra space after paragraphs for a clean, professional look. These foundational steps are crucial for proper MLA formatting. Now, let's add the running header and page numbers. Go to Insert, then Headers and Footers and select Header. Type your last name, then insert a page number from the Options menu, choosing the top right position. Make sure your last name and the page number are also in Times New Roman, 12-point font. This ensures every page is correctly identified and numbered according to MLA guidelines, making it easy for your instructor to follow your work. For the first page, you'll need a specific heading. On the first line, type your full name. On the second line, enter your instructor's name. The third line should be your course name, and the fourth line is the date, formatted day, month, year. All these lines should be double-spaced. Then, on the next double-spaced line, center your paper's title. Remember, do not bold, underline, or italicize your main title, just capitalize the significant words. Finally, let's set up your Works Cited page. This page should always begin on a new page at the end of your document. Center the title Works Cited at the top of the page. For each source entry, apply a hanging indent of 1/2 inch, meaning the first line is flush left and subsequent lines are indented. Ensure all entries are double-spaced and alphabetized by the author's last name or the title if no author is listed. This meticulous formatting is essential for academic integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.